Hi, I'm Marla Barnes here at the HydroVision International exhibit floor, and I'm delighted today to be with one of our diamond sponsors, Mr. Tom Rice, CEO of Hydro Component Systems. Tom, I just admire what you do so much.
Thank you.
One of the things that really impresses me is your slogan of "We use what we sell every day." Can you tell me about that?
Well, that comes from the fact that the products we make here originally were developed to be used at our own hydro plants. We acquired plants that already had equipment like this on there, mostly metal racks, and they're in cold climates. We had fragile ice and anchor ice problems, and that's where we started developing the plastic racks.
Okay.
All the components that go into those racks are fabricated, extruded, etc., at our own facilities. Hydro Components is part of a holding company that has 8 manufacturing companies within it, and all the components that go into our rakes and racks are built within the family of companies that make up the holding company. The holding company also has a power holding division, which all our power plants are part of that division.
Okay.
So when it comes to our products, we have complete control of everything that goes into them.
So speaking of your products, I know you are all about problem solving. So figuring out what the problem is and finding a solution for that. So is a lot of your products really based on fulfilling that?
Yes, hands-on using them, we see problems, and if our rakers don't quite handle it properly, we come up with better ways. So our products are products of continuous product improvement. They're always being improved upon, new options become available, and in many cases, new patents. Our original rakers, the wheels were powered. We found that with ice conditions and heavy winds coming down the track, they just didn't perform. So we came up with a chain drive, which was fine and worked beautifully until we started having needs for rakers that could go around curves. And we have some applications like the one down in the corner there.
Okay.
You can't make a chain drive go around a corner. So we came up with the rack and pinion drive. Those rakers will drive right through winds of 185 miles an hour. And if you have 5 feet of snow on the deck, they'll plow the snow right off the deck. So nobody else, and we have a patent on that also.
So if you could put on your crystal ball and sort of look into the future, what do you think some of the new technologies are, new applications that you might be willing to share with the hydro community?
Well, applications that, the new applications where our products fit in, like flood control pump stations. More and more of our business is in that direction. Where there are hurricanes, our rakers outperform anyone else's raker because they run right through the hurricane. Many other products have to sit until the winds die down and then they can go out. So that's becoming a bigger portion of our business. Chemical processing, petrochemical plants, oil refineries, paper mills, more and more are going into those areas. So another new area is the mega dairy farms, where they have the manure lagoons and they're pumping the liquids out to spread on the fields, and they're forever plugging up their pumps. Our racks and rakers, we have a mini raker that just one swipe over a little pump intake, and they solves all their problems.
That's great.
So another area that 10 years ago I never would have thought of it.
Yeah.
But one of the things within our company, engineers, whether they're electrical, mechanical, come into our organization, they spend time working at our hydro hands-on, running the rakers, cleaning racks. They have first-hand knowledge of the product that they are engineering, designing. And right in Watertown, where our main facility is, there are 2 dams, an upper and a lower dam, and we have a powerhouse on both of those dams. So when customers come, we can hand them a pendant and they can play with the 12-inch to the foot scale model.
Sounds fun. Well, and it does sound like you use what you sell every day.
Definitely.
Great. Well, Tom, it's a pleasure to speak with you. Thanks for taking time today.
Thank you.
Yeah.